count blank. So count blank is used for counts the number of blank cells in a column. Like this is an open column, so here you can see that there are lots of blank cells. So in this case, if you'd like to count how much rows are blanks, then you have to use the count blank function in Power BI. So let's write a measure count blank count blank, and then you have to choose the column. So I would like to choose my column open. So and then you can see that now it's counted how many rows are blank in its symbol. So just for this break based practices, you can use count blank function when you need to know how much rows is blank in a column, and you can use here any of this column of our data table.